What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard in Google Meet. Now if you are wondering how do you actually start using a whiteboard in a meeting, don't worry, it's really simple. First, make sure you are already inside your meeting. Once you are in, look at the top of your screen and click on the three dots next to the lock icon or host control. So sorry, you will look down right in here, meeting tool. So as that, this will open up meeting tools. After they are opened, we will go here to the add-ons, click on that, and here you will see the button browse the marketplace, click on that. Now you will see the ads on store. In the search bar, type in whiteboard like that. From the results, pick the whiteboard app you want to use. So I will go with the first one. So click on it, then install. Uh, Google now probably ask you to sign in and confirm a few permissions. Just click continue. So please, yes, like that. Continue. Open whiteboard. Now, as you can see, we are in a collaborative whiteboard. After that, now you can click open whiteboard. Here you will click continue. And as you already see, its whiteboard is now ready to use inside Google Meet. From here, you can share the session link, share your screen, or end the activity whenever you want, uh, like you see right here. And that's basically all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one.